Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Made. Today I'll be giving you a quick breakdown on how I got this. I'll be dropping the free PSD file in the link below so you can actually get it. So let me turn off all these layers. Let me turn it off and show you how I got this. It's a very simple process, simple and straightforward. Turn up all this group. So you can actually work with this. So first, what I did was to create like a background. You can see my background right here is just a normal background. So I added Gaussian blur effect to it. Come to your filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Simple. Now what I did next was to bring in my shape layers. These are PNG files that I got online. I got these PNG files online. Then my image. You can see I used a lady image. Now I realized that this image was too plain. So what I did was to create a new layer just to blend in the color of my background to my image, to blend them together. So you can decide to change the colors here, change the colors, something like this. Sorry, it's taking a while to load. Blend as you want. Yes, blend as you want. So now for the let me show you how I got this. You can just create new layer to automatically create a mask using this. So what you will do is, you can see this text here is on overlay and the opacity is on 38%. So you can create solid color. Let me choose color yellow, solid color. Change the blend mode to what? Overlay. Reduce this to, let me turn this off. Reduce this to 36%. That was exactly how I got this. Very simple and straightforward. It's very simple and straightforward, So what you do next here is, you can decide to bring in this, or if I'm leaving different backgrounds. I was testing different backgrounds to see which one will blend more for this design. So as usual, I write my text up as usual. The other one is very simple and straightforward. Then my lower text, you can try to play around this, like you've seen in my other videos. You see how I got this lower text. It's very simple and straightforward. Just create a new layer, come to your gradient tool and gently brush. But you would change your foreground color to your color choice. For example, if I change my foreground color to yellow, you see I will get this particular one. You can see I'll get yellow. So it's as simple as that. Bringing this color over here. Then what I usually do is use this particular light. See my lighting here. You can check my other videos for the lighting. If I turn this off, you see it's looking dull. But if I turn this on, my lighting will come out sharp. So this lighting they're just PNG overlay that I change the blend mode and I reduce the opacity as a group. So next, what I did there was to, this is another text. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yes. So now you can see, let me show you in my folder, in my design folder. You can see the quality here is much more sharp and is much more enhanced. So if you want me to create a video on how I got this, just signify in the comment section. So please do well to subscribe to my channel. I will drop this PSD file in the link below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you.